They got a new board back there. New board. I just met two people. The thing is, people think it's easy because you look on a board, but you have got to be prepared. I mean, I've been doing this for years, and that girl didn't even have a coat. She had a warm jumper on. The bloke was carrying everything, so maybe he's got her coat. They're out exploring. Yeah, they'll be alright. They'll enjoy it when they've done it. When people have achieved it, they'll think, oh, how lovely. See, when they were at that board, they didn't recognise where they were, and I said, the gorge is down there. Some people think it's up this way, see? This is Sheila on the 21st of March 2024, and it's the first day of spring. And my nephew Kevin's birthday, he's 62. He's catching me up. Yeah, he's catching me up. I remember when he was born, I was only 10. I was a very young auntie. In fact, when his sister was born, I was only 8. And Jane Louise was born. I don't really feel like her auntie, I must admit. I was more like her big sister, really. When we get up here, we get to a gate. I'm going to look at the time. And I'm going to make a decision whether to not do that route down there and just go along straight down. It depends on the time. If it's like 2:30, 2:45, you're cutting it very, very fine to do some of the route I wanted to do. But I'm quite happy with what I've done. Because I've been right over there with those, right over there in a field right over there. There's the goats I passed earlier, and I took photos of them. In a field right over there. Somewhere over there, there's a field. I can't see it now, but it's over there somewhere. I was over there, and until I look at the clock, I mean, the plan is, plan A, in a minute, is to go for a gate, which I did not a couple of months ago, but turned back. I only had a look to see if there was any cows out over where the alpacas were, and there were cows out. So I couldn't do that walk. And that's all I might do today, is just have a quick look again. But in theory, the plan A is to go down that way, go through a couple of stiles, and then walk back on the lower path back into Cheddar. But I don't know, because the cows will be out and you won't be able to do it. Right? So what I'm doing now, I'm going to stop at this gate, get my cheese and crisps out here, and then we'll have a look. See if there's any sign of cow. And see what the time is. It depends on the time. Because to do that extra bit there, you might need an hour just to do that bit. Right, over and out from again. I noticed that farmer is churning an awful lot of the pasture up. It's all been like raked and scraped, and we're nearly at the gate where I've got to get over in a minute. Yeah. I wonder what they're doing. Maybe they're going to plough here. I've never seen it like that. It's normally wild with gorse, and I didn't know if that was part of the reservoir. The reserve, I mean. But I've noticed cows out. Right over there, there are cows. Black cows right by, so it's a good job I didn't go up there thinking I could get through. Yeah, he's raking up the ground. Now this is down, when I get to this gate down here, this is where I turn and start going back to Cheddar. So I'm on about the same time frame as if I'd gone the other way. I don't know what the videos will be like. They might be a bit jumpy, swayy. We're just going to have a look over at this water pan. There used to be a gate behind here at one time that led me straight into the field. Because I don't do it very regular, there used to be a path round the back there. Sorry, I'll find the other one. Here's a water pan. Here's a drinking hole for the cows. It always amazes me how it's fenced off though. How are they supposed to get in there? Weird, isn't it? I'm not going to try and find my way around the back there. I'll go through the main way. Right, turn off. I did hear a cow. I'm just hoping they're not in the field I got to go in. They might have moved them about, see? Can't see any up there. I won't be climbing up there. Normally if I do a leisurely walk, I climb up there. Here's a gate here. Oh, let me see. Oh, why have they shut that? Oh, climb over it. I won't be climbing, having a leisurely walk up there today, but it doesn't mean we won't be able to. Cow pack. Are there cows in here? I did hear a moo. There are footprints. There are hoof prints here. I can't see any at the moment, but there's the gate. It looks like evidence of moo moo, and I did actually hear a moo sound. There's the gate. We should be able to, looks quite recent. Hoofs, doesn't it? I can't see any though. They could be down there. Look, it's a big field, isn't it? Oh God, I hope I can get through here. Yeah, someone put a bolt in that one. God, it's going bloody blowy again, everyone. Right, here we are. Middledown Nature Reserve. Okay, this is the way back to Cheddar now. In theory, we've got time to do it, as long as we keep up a reasonable pace. Right, I've just got to do my zip up. Hold on. There is one patch I know there is one patch where I know cows can be. There's another. Sorry for jumpiness, everyone. Don't know if that's a cow up there. My eyes aren't like they used to be, you see. The worst thing would be if they were in this field. Then I have to climb up the top there and get through another area to avoid them. I don't really want to have to do that. I'm hoping it's just be straightforward. But nothing's straightforward with me to avoid the cows. So I haven't done that today. That'll be a separate walk. Let's hope they haven't blocked us off. I just have to climb over it all. I know the cows that are in that field can drift down, and they sometimes are allowed up on the outcrop there. A little bit on the squelch side. Ooh. No worries at the moment. I reckon that was a settlement up there in the past where those tall trees are. There is evidence of ruin up there as well. There's lots of evidence of ruin. Now the dodgy field is the one we're coming up to. Now what I have to do if there are cows, I have to climb up on the outcrop and climb through some brambles and stuff, get over a couple of old gates and get into a field where they can't go. I've had to do it before. This looks well worn, doesn't it? This is a good march now down to Cheddar, following this route. So we can't do it leisurely. We've had a lovely leisurely walk most of today. I'm just going to turn off and take the picture, and I'm going to use the other video recorder for the rest of the walk and use this for pictures.